In this video, we will look at how you can use custom titles to data columns that you have applied to filter boxes. And this is a feature that we introduced in release 2021.2. Here I have created a circle pack visualization showing some market values and one-day price changes for a number of companies' stocks. And this is historic data. And if we investigate the settings that I have here on this visualization, you will find that as size, I have market value, which is in fact a title that I gave the column market cap US dollars, which reads more nicely in the details pop-up. I've also divided the value with 1 million to gear down the numbers. And I've introduced a custom format here, removing the decimals and added million US dollars at the end. So I get this result. In the pop-up detail, it says market value and then a number of millions of US dollars. If at this point I introduce a filter box, control, filter box, and add the market capitalization column to the filter box, you will notice that I have now created a filter that is showing the original title of the column in the data set and the original values, which is in US dollars. So what I want to do now is I want to adapt this title so that it says market value as in the visualization to make it look nicer. And I also want to divide the numbers by a million, and if I want to, I can either add some unit to the format string down here, which gives me this result, or optionally I leave it with just the numbers, no decimals, and I could adapt the title up here and say within brackets that this is in millions of US dollars. And what I achieve then is a filter box that is showing a variable name, which is nice to read and that also conforms with the label I have chosen for the visualization.